So yesterday afternoon we crossed into Arizona from New Mexico in the very northwestern tip of New Mexico. But we're actually not gonna be in Arizona for very long because, well, you'll see. So, are you confused yet? I thought you thought we were in Arizona, but now we're back in New Mexico. But we actually only won't be in New Mexico for long either. We'll see.
That was the Four Corners Monument, where Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado and Utah meet. And we're actually not just visited the 4 states here, but we're actually cycling through 4 states today. Like, we woke up in Arizona, cycled a bit there, then we crossed now to New Mexico. And next we'll cycle through Colorado for a few kilometers, and then we're going to Utah. Really cool.
And last but not least, Utah, state number 4 in one day. This is just so spectacular. It's just so vast, and just in the distance you see like these snowy peaks, and it's just wow.
Today's the big day.
Yeah.
We're reaching Monument Valley. Can you believe it? We can't. Wow! These landscapes are just spectacular. Unbelievable. And that's the great thing about cycling. It's really like the journey is the destination, because reaching Monument Valley will be awesome, but also just the way to get there is already awesome. And it's getting really hot.
I think we might actually see the Monument Valley from here. Wow.
This is so exciting.
It's just so... This is
I just can't believe this.
wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Right now.
Wow. I really hope that the footage we have now of Monument Valley with the drone and everything, that it does justice to how amazing this landscape is. It's just, you have to just experience it. It's unreal. Wow.
Oh man, we are really earning Monument Valley. We've been climbing for, it feels like an hour now. Very steep and the wind has picked up.
What the hell was that? Oh man, after like 2 hours of just uphill and crazy wind. Oh, headwind of course. We did it. Look at that.
My God. So we decided to get an accommodation for tonight because we can't just wild camp here, and the camping areas are pretty expensive, and before we pay like $20 only for primitive camping, we thought we pay a bit more and then we have a nice cabin. And yeah, we're looking forward to that now. It was a long day with awesome views. Those are some tough last meters. The rocks are glowing. Oh my
Alright, and that's already the end of our Utah film, because we're now back in Arizona. And just to kind of sum it all up, yeah, the Monument Valley is amazing.
Mind-blowing.
It's really mind-blowing, and it's cooler even than we imagined. And we had some pretty high hopes for it. But it's not just the Monument Valley, which is spectacular. We cycled from Bluff all the way towards it. And it's just the whole landscape also leading up to it is amazing. So if you get the chance, definitely do the whole thing. Cycling, because you just live through it so much more. Even though it's a tough day from Bluff, it's lots of uphill, lots of steep uphill, lots of wind, but yeah.
It's just a different experience.
It's definitely worth it.
Can't put that in words.
No, it's amazing. Yeah, well, see you in the Grand Canyon state.